Hi guys, so our next video will be about solving quadratic equations by factoring by grouping. So example number 1, 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 equals 0. And number 2, 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. Now for number 1, 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 equals 0. So we're going to use here the product of a 2 and negative 12. So 2 times negative 12 is negative 24, and also we're going to use the numerical coefficient of x, which is negative 5. Now factoring by grouping is just you're going to find two numbers. If we're going to multiply the two, the result will be the product of a and the constant term, which is negative 24. And if we're going to add the 2, the result will be the numerical coefficient of x, which is negative 5. So the number will be, or those numbers will be negative 8 and 3. So negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. Negative 8 plus 3 equals negative 5. So what we're going to do here is we're going to rewrite negative 5x with those two numbers here. So we're going to have here 2x squared, then minus 8x, then plus 3x. So we just write negative 5x as negative 8x plus 3x, then minus 12 equals 0. Then next will be we're going to group the first two terms and the last two terms. So 2x squared minus 8x and 3x minus 12. Now in here, we're going to have the common factor. The common factor here will be 2x. Then 2x squared divided by 2x will be x. Then negative 8x divided by 2x will be negative 4. And plus, common here is 3. So 3x divided by 3 is x, negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. Then this will be equal to 0. Then if we're going to look at the result here, there's also a common factor, so we're going to have that one as x minus 4. Then we're going to have this one as 2x plus 3 equals 0. And then we're going to apply zero product property. We're going to have x minus 4 equals 0, and or 2x plus 3 equals 0. And here x is equal to 4, and in here this is x equals, this will become negative 3, then divided by 2, so negative 3 over 2. Then for number 2, 3 times 6 is 18, and the numerical coefficient of x is 11. So we're going to find two numbers. If we're going to multiply, the answer will be 18, and if we're going to add, the answer will be 11. And that number will be 9 and 2. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 plus 2 equals 11. So we're going to have here 3x squared plus 9x plus 2x, then plus 6 equals 0. So we just write 11x as 9x plus 2x so that we can group. So grouping the terms, we're going to have here 3x squared plus 9x and 2x plus 6. Then common here is 3x, so we're going to have 3x, then 3x squared divided by 3x is x, then 9x divided by 3x is 3 plus 3. Then common here is 2, so plus 2, then 2x divided by 2 is x, then 6 divided by 2 is 3, so plus 3 equals 0. Then again we are having here common factor, so we're going to have that one as x plus 3, then times 3x plus 2. Then this will be equal to 0. So applying zero product property, this will become x plus 3 equals 0, and for 3x plus 2 equals 0. So x here will be equal to negative 3. And in here, x will be equal to, this will become negative 2, and divided by 3. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions or suggestions, please comment below. And see you next time.